Hello student, in this video we will learn how to find the BOD for given sample. So question number 1 is, if a BOD3 of a sample is 75 mg per liter and reaction rate constant, that is K base E, is 0.345 per day, then amount of BOD remaining in sample after 10 days is, and there are 4 options. So we have to find out what is the remaining BOD after 10 days. Okay, so let's see solution. First of all, write down the given things. We have a 3 days BOD. So here YT means Y at 3 days is given, that is 75 mg per liter. Then K is given, that is reaction rate constant, K is equal to 0.345 per day. Okay, so put the formula for BOD calculation. Therefore, by using BOD formula, YT is equal to Y naught in bracket 1 minus e raised to minus KT. So YT is nothing but the BOD is given at a given time period. For example, here BOD at 3 days given, so YT is 75, already we know. Y naught, it is nothing but the ultimate BOD. Okay, I am writing here YT, a given BOD, then Y naught, ultimate BOD, then K is a reaction rate constant and T is a time period in a days. Here T is 3 days. Okay, so put the values. YT is 75, Y naught to be calculated 1 minus e raised to minus K is 0.345 into T is 3 days, so 3. Now calculate Y naught 1 minus e raised to minus, after calculation of this we have 1.035. Okay, now we have to calculate this e raised to with the help of, okay, for example, to calculate e raised to, press this alpha, then e raised to in bracket minus 1.035 bracket complete is equal to, so it is 0.355. okay, so Y naught 1 minus e raised to, sorry, we have already calculated, so 1 minus 0.355, so Y naught into, after 1 minus this value we have 0.645, here 75 as it is, therefore Y naught will be 75 upon 0.645, that is near about 116.32. okay, so it is ultimate BOD in mg per liter. Okay, now after calculating this ultimate BOD, we have to find what is a BOD for 10 days. So for that purpose, again use the same formula here, that is BOD at 10 days is equal to ultimate BOD Y naught or Y0, it is already known, so take value 116.32. what is formula? Y at time period, so for 10 days we have to calculate it, so Y10 is equal to ultimate BOD, that is this value, into bracket 1 minus e raised to K into T, Now what is T here? For 10 days we have to calculate. So change T from 3 to 10. Calculate 116.32 into bracket 1 minus e raised to. Now after calculating this all term, we have here 0.032. Okay, so 116.32. After 1 minus this, we have 0.968, and after this we have a near about 112.59. So it is BOD at 10 days in mg per liter. But we have to calculate what is the BOD remaining after 10 days. So by using relation, that is remaining BOD is equal to, now how to find remaining BOD? It is nothing but a BOD at this level, that is 116.32, means at this level, minus BOD at 10 days level 112.59. so it comes about or near about 3.69 mg per liter. So this is a remaining BOD after 10 days, and it is nothing but our option C. So solution for this question is option C, that is 3.69 mg per liter. So please do subscribe my channel for next video. Thank you.